guys to Mel Goodness. Today we will be making our own version of maha. Okay. Thank you for all of the subscribers. We have reached 13,000 subscribers. Yay! So our goal is up to 100,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for the continued trust to this channel. Thank you for the comment. Always will. Sarap niyan, sisi. Means it's so delicious, sis. Okay, please stay tuned until the end. Of course, we have 1 to 2 ingredients that we won't include in our list. These are our mystery ingredients and it makes the dish more delicious. Stay tuned and keep on watching. Enjoy! Okay, now we will be making our own version of maha. We will be needing the following ingredients: 1 can of condensed milk, 2 cans of evaporated milk, 1 can of coconut milk, 1 whole kernel corn. We can use the fresh one or we can use the one in the can. We will be needing cornstarch and coconut flakes. Okay, first we will heat our pot and then we will pour in our coconut milk. Stir it and we will put our condensed milk to it. Next, we will put our evaporated milk. And we will just continue stirring our mixture on low heat because we don't want the bottom to be burned. Okay, while waiting for our mixture to boil, we will warm 1 can of evaporated milk in the microwave. And then we will put in our cornstarch, like 1 cup of cornstarch to our warm milk. Now that our milk is already warm, like we put it in the microwave for 1 minute, we will put in our 1 cup of cornstarch. We will dissolve it. just make sure that our cornstarch is well incorporated into our warm milk, okay? And our mystery ingredient is 1/4 cup of honey. We will put it in our mixture. We will add our warm milk with cornstarch. Okay, and we will add our whole kernel corn. Of course, we remove the water of it. Okay. So just keep on stirring so the bottom won't get burned. And we will know that it's already cooked once it becomes pasty. The texture of it means it's ready to be transferred to a container. Note that we adjusted the heat. We put it on medium heat while stirring it constantly. As you can see, it's now pasty in texture, so it means it's ready. It's cooked already. It's ready to be transferred to a container. Now we will transfer our maha into a container with parchment paper to it. Note that we put a little oil on the bottom so the parchment paper would stay put. That we did tap this container to remove extra bubbles and so that we can have a good shape of our maha. Okay, here is our taste test of maha blanca.
Alright.
How is it? From 1 to 10. 10 is the highest.
10. I love it. It's really soft, chewy. It's not too sweet. It's a perfect sweetness.
Okay.
I love it.
Like, share, and subscribe. My goodness. Thank you.